MeghalayaPost.news.
Kajantia National Council Dawa nak sorkar badeban penlong gajing tokit kababania lor gajing betai belangshan hapa Dewiong Beain hakatan mensngat tangsko kabala shimru odo arpo prangut kimin simbrio barkum kaseng Dawa ru badeban tokit bania lor gajing yorung lailan kinong Bangladesh sa East Jangels district gimla ban pedangnya kini gajing jia masngusi kum gajing jia kabamalumala kadon gajing suba kabajur pakani gade gajing hertma ya kisnong kithaw jongi long president ke JNC usambor mi lengdo habakran sikinong thok khubor menta kasngi barkum kaseng kadap da gajing kya kabajur halor gajing don kinong bangla hakate gejaka dak bakno ru bakidei ki balabar ngam man penthut ya kasuk kasan hakathan north east kaseng Dawa bagajing tokit kamde banlong tang hakajing ti Dewiong Beain henre bansim kya ru ya gajing yorung lailan kinong bangla syakate gejaka batkum kaseng Dawa nak sarkar jela bagade bansim kya batle dak batenge persha kinong wei kibuan buhai syakate gejaka batkum kitrai mulung kimkwa bakaplengja onwan ban kini da kibanabar kibasuan sa Beain shushu kaseng kalkar ru ikatanat pulin ban kuran baro ki badon keti hakati kam khamtam ki badon keti banwanra kinong bangla ban pensa ban pentrei Beain hakati ke jaka namar kum kaseng kam kwa baka pateng banwan kandon hakajing matang namar gajing khwan mentoi simen nagalyang kaseng kalkar paru shaw menteri rangba akari bat kunjuru union minister bansha ya gajing ti duyong kat kum gajuk sta hakajala Meghalaya dakababan ramru bakani kan pendu jai ya gajing ti Beain ya duyong kaban pen mentoi pat ya ki pajba bat kunjuru surkar jela uteu no lam mulong ru bakani gajing ja men sngat thangsko kelapan khnyu omtang Meghalaya Nurehakari India barok kawai wat menteri rangba ulakular bansiu bailut kesan sakilong yang bangat hakati gejingja bat bon ke menteri kelapan ram ya gani gejingja.
Yes, we suspect some conspiracy in this case because me myself I never been to that area in Tangsko, but I came to know from the public of East Jangtia that there is a lot of river from Bangladeshi. So maybe and plus in this we have seen in the press and media like what is happening in Bangladesh. So some of those Muslim Bangladeshi, they are threatening our Northeast as a whole to capture and to all. Maybe I think this is something like connect to this, because this kind of incident, yeah, it happens small thing where 2-3 deaths, but what is happening now is a very big and we cannot imagine, but how this is happening. So we want the state government to when they conduct the inquiry, they should not only go with the illegal coal mines. They should conduct also about this illegal entering of these people from Bangladesh to Meghalaya or to our district as a whole. No, because of the incident, because the incident is so much bigger. Like what the labor said, if there is 5 like quarry there, but on the time of blast, 2 of them are not working. They take rest. So if these 2 will working at that time, the death will be increased more. So we don't want the government to limit the inquiry. We want them to inquiry to the settler of this foreigner from Bangladesh also, how they can enter our state. I think people will be happy to get a small scale mining, because you see when the ban is going on, still people are trying to do illegal thing, because if they get a small scale scientific mining, then of course it will be a very good thing for the people.
MeghalayaPost.news.